Ooh, ooh, ooh. Done! Alright guys, so we're staying at the Premier Inn in Whitstable. We're gonna see.
I can't.
Push it then.
Excuse me, please. Excuse me.
Do you want to go and check it? Get your... Yeah, thank you.
You know what? There you go.
Come on then, in again.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. This key card. You can't obviously get into a hotel. You come in, turn left. Okay, need to go upstairs because my hotel room number is on the first floor. There's this pool here. Okay. 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 That's what it's going to do. So, yeah, it's going to have to be a quick video because obviously, just want to show you a really good, amazing areas of, you know, pretty much every other things. So there's this one there. Okay, here's the next one. This one's a push, of course. Made by Dorma. There we go. Okay, here's this one. Okay, let's go this one. Now my room number is 135. I just got to open period. So, what about the call that? Yeah, that's what my room number is. And I'm gonna go in this one. Number 135. Let's do this. There's no operational key lights in order to come in, so you don't have to worry. But apart from that, there we go. Easy. Right, as soon as when you come in, hello, we got a mirror straight away. Coat hangers. Hair dryer right there. For your long hair, for example. The lights, hello. According to my main phone, which is the iPhone 13 Pro Max at the moment. Bathroom, lovely. Really lovely. There's shower, bath right there. And then you got, oh, I've got to be careful because I don't want to get. Well, I'll come to that part very shortly because let's take a look at the bedroom here. So there's the bed. So we have a bed. This is a double bed and this is a single bed. It's a lovely bed. We only staying for a night, obviously. It's lovely. It's good. It's a good, comfortable, great night's sleep. And yeah, really lovely. I mean, considering that it's a really good bed, it's nice for anyone to take a look at. You got your bar up there in case if it's summer, then you got a bar there. You got other kitchenable stuff. There's your coffee right there, and yeah. I'm gonna turn TV off here before I get copyright strict. That should be left on whilst I'm filming. Flat screen Samsung TV. Power stuff right there. This is your office desk in case if you want to use your office, for example, or like that. So it's lovely. It's lovely. You got your single bed right there. And all of your stuff, whatever you want to use. So it's lovely. I love it. I enjoyed it quite a lot. It's a really good, amazing hotel. I would recommend. It's a nice resort. I mean, it's a nice hotel. Really lovely. And yeah, lovely jubbly. So I hope you enjoyed a quick look at our hotel. Our hotel tour. If you guys enjoyed it, then please like and subscribe. And as I say, we'll do more hotel videos if we are going, like, say, a hotel or something. But yeah, thanks for watching. My name is Drake. This is Escalator Travel Excellence UK. And I'm signing you out. And I'll catch you, of course, in the next one for more of our content like this. And there's the star screen when you're turning on your TV. So yeah, thanks for watching. My name is Drake. This is Escalator Travel Excellence UK with my permanent channel coming soon for the 15th of April. Skyline Gang fan. Your new home of Skyline Gang, as you can see on according to my pictures. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So now we're going to go to the restaurant, room 135. Excuse me, sorry. Got a long walk corridor again. And we'll go to a restaurant. Okay. Room 135. Yeah. There we are. So there's the, yeah, we do. There's the restaurant where we're going to have the Beef's restaurant. It's a lovely restaurant. It is an amazing restaurant. I mean, if you stayed at the Premier Inn, I would highly recommend you go, like, I mean, any Premier Inn will do. And then you could have a nice, we've got nice floors there, so you can have a nice floor. And then, there we are. Very easy. And this is where the restaurant is. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'm so happy I could